The Laborie community is mourning the passing of Pascal Louis, a revered figure whose decades of unwavering commitment to local governance and community development left an unforgettable mark on the village. Louis, former council chair, is being celebrated by residents for his tireless work and visionary leadership within the local government council. In the wake of his passing, a memorial in his honor has been erected within the storied walls of the Laborie Village Council.
I knew him very much involved in community life from an early age. I remember him playing cricket for married men against the Laborie team. I remember him being involved in fundraisers when Mr. Desmond Collymore was first selected to go to England to play cricket. And I was a little boy among them, around them, and so Mr. Louis has been an individual who's very much involved. As a councillor, he was very much involved in organizing the likes of cleanup campaigns, okay? He was at the forefront of advocating, trying to do things differently for Laborie. I remember sand mining was a difficult thing for us, so he was at the forefront of advocating to curb it, educating, having town hall meetings, to curb, that kind of activity. And he was always there, and organizing and, being part of the general administration of the community.
Friends and colleagues fondly recalled Louis' insightful contribution, emphasizing his civic devotion to improving daily life in Laborie through his council work.
I worked with Mr. Louis about 15 years back. It's now 33 years I'm in the council. He was a very good chairman. We never have a problem with him. He always come and motivate us. If you're tired, you can stand, you can take a rest. Do not abuse yourselves. He was a very good guy. I have no problem with him. All what he used to tell us is keep our job, make sure we do our work. He was good. We never had a problem with him. May his soul rest in peace.
From a local government employee, Patrick Charles has fond memories of the ex-chairman of the Laborie Council.
He was a nice worker. Anything that happened to us, we called in on him. He's doing a nice thing for us. He never tells us anything that is bad. But he was making all of us by the sea, collecting people to pick up the garbage with nylon bags and things. He was a very, very nice chairman. May he rest in peace.
Louis' legacy extends beyond his official role. He was remembered as a sportsman, cricketer, educator, and a pivotal figure in the founding of the Laborie Cooperative Credit Union, demonstrating his broad commitment to fostering community prosperity and well-being.